Agricultural season. The Rabi and Kharif are the two main crop seasons in India. The Kharif season begins in May and the Rabi begins in the middle of October as the southwest monsoon retreats and the northeast monsoons take over. The crop seasons are mainly determined by the rainfall. Food crops. Rice. Rice is mainly cultivated in the tropical and subtropical area around the world. It occupies 23% of our total cropped area of India. Rice requires 22 degrees Celsius temperature during the growing season and over 26 Celsius at the time of ripening. From its proper growth, rice needs 150 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. China, India, Thailand, Japan, Indonesia are the chief rice producing countries in the world. Then we have wheat. Wheat is mainly grown in temperate zones all over the world. It requires 15 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius of temperature. During the growing season, it requires rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter. For better production of wheat, clayey loamy soil or fertile slit is needed. Maize is mainly produced in the tropical region. Maize requires temperature between 20 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius and rainfall from 50 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Sandy, deep and well-watered soil is good for the cultivation of maize. Then we have fiber crops, that is your jute. In India, it is known as golden fiber. Bangladesh and India are the largest producer of jute in the world. Jute requires high temperature with a minimum of 27 degrees Celsius with plenty of rainfall ranging between 170 to 200 centimeter. Production of jute in India supports the jute textile industry, which earns the much needed foreign exchange for our country. Then we have cotton. It is basically a fiber plant and grows well in areas of hot climate. It is essentially a plant of dry climate. It is mainly grown in the areas of tropical and temperate zones. In the world, the temperature required for cotton in summer, temperature of 25 degrees Celsius with abundant sunshine. It requires well distribution rainfall between 80 and 20 centimeter throughout the year. Then we have cash crops. Rubber is the lactis of the tree. Cultivation of rubber requires temperature above 25 degrees Celsius and must not fall below 20 degrees Celsius. It's required rainfall between 175 to 300 centimeter. Sugarcane. India ranked first in the production of sugarcane in the world. Bangladesh, China, Philippines, Pakistan, Cuba, Brazil are also chief producers of sugarcane. Beverages crops comes, you have tea and coffee. India is the leading producer of tea in the world. Coffee is produced on rich, well-drained soil in warm climate and moderate rainfall.